Hello viewers, we'll be going over gold miners, ticker symbol GDXJ. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We're about to approach to positive MACD and we're nearing overbought levels with the RSI. As we extend that to the 4 hour chart, we still remain in negative MACD, but we're seeing signs of a converge and we're off of oversold levels with the RSI. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we still remain in negative MACD. As for the trade idea of the week, my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $42.47. My sell target is at $45.35. My stop loss is at $42.13. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $47.51. And that is this range here, and that coincides with the lows made back in January 27th, since we're below that support that now act as our resistance. My sell target is at $42.83, and my stop loss is at $49.79. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold miners has a 14% chance to climb between 0 to 5.6% and a 71% chance to fall between 0 to negative 5.6%. Further extreme case to the downside, a 14% chance to fall between negative 5.6 to negative 11.2%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.